Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today's topic is cooler perfume. A perfume which we add in the water tank of cooler. Friends, as you know, the days are becoming hotter and hotter day by day. Every year the temperature increases 1 or 2 degree from the previous year. Friends, the places where the weather is dry, it has less humidity, cooler is very effective. So many people use cooler, but problem arises when a fishy smell, means a bad smell, starts coming from the water of the cooler. So to remove that smell, we should use cooler perfume. So adding few drops of cooler perfume in the water of cooler tank, the rooms will be filled with fragrance, nice pleasant fragrance. So today I will show you how to make cooler perfume. This is a new formula. In this formula we will not use alphox 200 or alcohol. I had uploaded a video on how to make perfume, cooler perfume before. You can go on my channel and watch that video also. Let's start. For that, take any fragrance. You can buy synthetic fragrance or you can take essential oil also. The quantity of fragrance should be 70 ml. See, this is liquid soap. You can take any liquid soap. You can take dishwash or hand wash, any liquid soap available. The quantity of liquid soap should be 30 ml. Next ingredient is cutting oil. It is easily available in the industrial chemical shop. The quantity of cutting oil should be 30 ml. Now let's start. For that I have taken an empty vessel. In that I am putting fragrance in it. You can take any fragrance. You can take synthetic fragrance or you can take essential oil. Now I am adding liquid soap in it. Then I am adding cutting oil in it. Then mix it properly for some time. The color changes gradually. See, it will look like this after some time. So your cooler perfume is ready. This cooler perfume is very concentrated. At this stage you can add any color of your choice. You can add matching colors in it. If you are adding rose, you can add red color. If you are adding khas flavor, you can add green color, and so on. Now I am filling it in the bottle. Many types of bottles are available in the market. You can purchase any bottle of your choice. This cooler perfume is very concentrated. A very few drops are required to add in the water tank of cooler. The perfume we made earlier was very concentrated, so I am diluting it a little and to increase its quantity and to decrease its cost. For that, I am adding water in it. You can add RO water or mineral water or distilled water. Please don't take tap water. Now I am adding perfume in it. The quantity of water should be 800 ml. Then mix it properly. Friends, it will turn white because we had added cutting oil in it. At this stage, you can add any color of your choice in it. But I am not adding any color in it. Friends, now I am filling it in bottle. You can add around 5 ml of this fragrance in the water of cooler tank. Now friends, your cooler perfume is ready. Isn't it easy? Now friends, I am showing you how to add cooler perfume in the water of cooler tank. Take the cooler perfume and directly add in the water. You can increase the quantity of cooler perfume or decrease the quantity of cooler perfume according to your choice, because some fragrances are very strong, like jasmine. Jasmine has very strong fragrance, so you will need very few drops of jasmine cooler perfume. So friends, try making cooler perfume. If you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. Friends, if you like my video, please click the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives so that they can also enjoy the summers with pleasant smell. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is shown on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So please press all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.